If your AC is turning on and off randomly or not starting at all, the problem could be a small but important part called the pressure switch. This safety device helps protect your compressor and keeps your system running the way it should. Welcome to PartsHnC, your go-to source for HVAC tips and solutions. So how does it work? The pressure switch monitors refrigerant pressure inside your system. If the pressure drops too low, it shuts the system off to prevent the coils from freezing. If the pressure gets too high, it stops the system from overheating or being damaged. Over time, this switch can run into a few common issues. Here are some things you might notice. Your system may shut off randomly if dirt or debris affects the readings. Dirty or blocked condenser coils can cause false high-pressure shutoffs. Normal wear and tear can also make the switch less accurate. In some cases, the system may not turn back on right away because the switch is not resetting properly. To fix these issues, start by cleaning around the switch and removing any debris. Next, check the outdoor unit for blocked airflow and clear away anything restricting it. Finally, make sure the switch is mounted securely to prevent vibration from causing false signals. However, some problems are harder to spot. Listen for faint clicking sounds and check for moisture or corrosion around the wiring. Take a close look at the connections and watch for any visible damage. To keep your system running smoothly, stay on top of regular maintenance. Keep the outdoor unit in a shaded area if possible, use vibration pads for stability, and schedule routine system checks to make sure everything is working properly. With consistent care, you can prevent major breakdowns and improve efficiency. By catching these issues early, you can avoid expensive compressor repairs and extend the life of your system. For a deeper breakdown and step-by-step guidance, check out the blog link in the description below. Ready to get your AC back in top shape? Visit PartsHnC.com for quality replacement parts and expert support. Don't forget to follow us for more HVAC tips and maintenance advice. Thanks for watching.